So
Yes,
wow, beautiful, beautiful children in front of me. And where are you from?
I think you're so curious to know it that where from, and we are from Ma'am Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. It's a beautiful country, isn't it? Beautiful people, beautiful country. So, what is the significance of your beautiful name? You both have beautiful names, right? Maliha and Muwaz, if I am pronouncing it correctly.
Yes, ma'am, it is totally correct. But how you have remembered that
Yeah,
my name is?
you two are famous now. You both are too famous. So I just had a quick research on you, and see, we are connecting now. So, what's the significance of your beautiful name? What's the meaning?
Yeah, ma'am, actually, my name is Muwaj, as you know, so I don't know, actually, to be honest, I don't know my name, the meaning of my name exactly, but after finishing this conversation, I'll look for it.
Oh, you will look for it. Now that's fantastic. And do you know, Maliha, the meaning of your name?
I don't know accurate ma'am, but if you talk me that my name is meaning to beautiful.
Ah, beautiful, which you are. Definitely you are. Beautiful.
So, ma'am, as we're meeting for the very first time and we are very curious to know about yourself, so would you like to introduce yourself at first?
Yeah, sure. Why not? And see, my name is Ritu Pathak, and I live in Agra, which is a beautiful and wonderful city, and it's famous for the Taj Mahal, right? And I have been in this passionate job of mine, like teaching English, for about 30 years. And I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So I'm teaching students globally, not from only India, but around the world also. And I'm enjoying this job of mine. So that's about me. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Here, ma'am, I also would like to introduce myself. So, as you know, this is Maliha Binte Masood. In 2025, I studied in 8th standard. We talk nine separately. So, I love to know new things, especially English, or I'd like to speak English with stranger. If I talk my family, so my family talk four members. My parents, me, my brother. You know, we are siblings as well as also
Oh,
video and have session together as now we are doing. So that's
very nice. And what about you, Moaz?
Yeah, thank you very much, my dear ma'am, for giving me also got an opportunity to introduce myself. Actually, you already know my name, Muaz Masud, my full name. Actually, currently I studied 8th standard, just now 2025, actually. And this is, we are siblings as well as siblings, baby. I hope you also know it. And my father is a professor and my mother is a teacher. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I like to riding bicycle, speak English with a stranger, and make English vlog video. So that's it about me.
All right. So why you guys are attracted towards this language? I mean that why did you plan to learn this language? What
Yeah,
attracted you?
actually, ma'am, that you know that everybody has a passion. If you check that everybody has a passion to speak in English like the natives. So like this, since our children, since our boyhood, we also had a strong desire to speak English like a native speaker. So that's why we are learning this language more than 1 year. And before 1 year, also that has motivated us to start our English journey. That's why you can say that we are learning this language, and we also have a goal to go abroad. So that's why we are learning as well.
So is there any resolution that you have set for yourself this year?
Actually, resolution mean if it happens in our class 8 class for scholarship exam, we will definitely sit for our scholarship exam, and we will try our best to do it. And we also have a passion in 2025 to improve our English level, grow up, so that we can go to advanced level or close to advanced level. You can say.
All right. Very nice. So these are your future plans for 2025.
Yes, you're right.
So wishing you all good luck. Very nice. And what about your hobbies? Would you like to share something about your hobbies? What do you like to do? I mean, what are your favorite pastimes?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, to be honest, that in our leisure time as a students, we must get leisure time. So in our leisure time, we're trying to connect with different people, especially Indian people, for improving our spoken English like this because it is our free time. And also in free time, we try to handle our YouTube channel on Facebook and to improve our spoken English as well. And sometimes a little bit time we take to protect entertainment, and sometimes we our available time with our parents. That's
Wow, great. So, what's the weather there? I mean, what is the condition of weather over there at your place?
Yeah, actually, ma'am. To be honest, 2 days ago it was a sunny weather, but after since yesterday and today is very cold weather. We go outside and wind is blowing very, you can say very, and we feel so cold. Actually, you know that the weather became very dangerous for us.
Yes, it's freezing cold. Even in our region, it's freezing cold. So I also don't love this season at all. This I have mentioned in many of my videos. For certain reason, I don't love this season at all. All right. So next, moving to a very interesting question is that what are strategies you guys follow? I mean, for the beginners, is there any strategy that you want to share on this platform?
Okay, yeah, definitely, ma'am. I have understood. And for the beginner, is the learner, I'd like to say you they should listen more and what people are saying. And if they listen more and more, definitely they will be able to understand and they will get the inspiration. And from that time, they will be able to speak in English and not front of people, not in front of camera, publicity place. And they will listen, they will be able to understand. Then they will start their speaking journey, and day by day, definitely they will be able to speak in English.
Yes, as you know that learning English can sometimes be a nerve-wracking process. But if you just simplify it, then it will be a piece of cake for us. Like as you said that the strategy that you guys are following is listening. So, what do you love to listen to? I mean, what do you love to listen? Podcast, stories, or watching movies, English videos, something like that? Are you into that?
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to share with you that what I'd like to watch actually in modern device like mobile phone, like this mobile phone in mobile phone. I also have to watch some of speakers video, English content video. I was a
Hmm.
big time I just listen and watch. And nowadays I also watch when I get time, watch more and more.
yeah,
All
ma'am.
right. Hmm.
Actually, ma'am, I want to say you if I talk for myself separately. So there are so many ways for listening. You can say English movie. If you talk about English movie, so I need more time to spend to watch English movie. So I, as a student, I don't have like that time, so I don't watch English movie. English song never because we can't understand the English song properly. Even we can't understand Hindi song even. So how we understand English song? And second, so actually, to be honest, I watch English entertainment video. Like they are talking, separately they are making some experimental video, any kind of video, some views, some thing. So in that time, I see that what type of sentence, what type of pronunciation, what type of strategy they are going to speak here.
Hmm. So you want to say that if I understand it correctly, that first you listen, then you pay attention to the accent, to the perfect pronunciation, so that you can practice it while you speak. Right? Am I right? You do this. Yeah. You listen and mimic.
Yeah, I was one video, one YouTube channel video. He's from America, so I want to learn American English. That's why I watch his video.
Yeah, yeah. People are sometimes so much confused, right? They are sometimes they incline towards sometimes American accent, sometimes they incline towards the British accent, and sometimes their own native accent. So you are working on, you have set your mind, I mean, your target is to work on American accent.
Yeah, you're right. We have set up ourselves as American expression.
Yeah, that's too good. So you are not confused, right? Your plans are not obscure. You are having a very clear cut approach towards it, and that sounds amazing. So, guys, what's your favorite food? What do you love to eat? I mean, is there any favorite dish or a particular any item that you want to eat, like pizza, burgers, or any traditional dish?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I want to say that we are from village, so we are not fond of like pizza, burger, especially those who are fast food. Actually, we like actually. If I talk about my for me separately, I like mango very much because in that time in summer season we get most, and it is very much healthy. I think also for us. And second one is that I like for a food dish that is fish. Fish I like very much.
Oh, okay. And Maliha, what about you? You also love to eat mangoes and fish like your brother?
No, no, I'm not like much. I don't
Chicken
like
wings.
mango very much. Actually, I like very much. If I talk food, so I like very much chicken. And you have asked us the question that what type of fruit, right? So
Right. Oh, very nice. So, Muwaz has already just pointed out that pizza and burgers are not, I mean, they are junk foods. So, we should avoid eating them, right? And that's very, very true. I agree. I concur with you on this point. All
no,
right. Yeah.
uh, no, I'd like to say that it's we can I think that you would like to ask us the question and we should avoid it because I just forgetting what I would like to say.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just think, rethink. Whenever sometimes it happens that when we start speaking with a certain amount of speed, our mind goes blank. So that is why uh, there's a never failing technique is just give pauses, go slow. Now, when you go slow, your brain transmits the message to your tongue, and exactly then your mind starts working that okay, this word I have to say next. So whenever we speak so fast, we tend to commit mistake. And on the other hand, if we try to speak calmly and with relax, so we know that what word should we speak next. So if you go slow, you can curb that problem completely.
Okay, ma'am, I have understood and I tried to maintain your suggestion and now I can say you that actually last I would like to say you that these are mm, burger, pizza, these are fast food. So we should avoid it and these are harmful for our health, right?
Yeah, that I can understand. That I can understand. So Maliha and Mubaz, it's great. I mean, it's a great time. It's so fun for me as well to have a conversation with you guys, and I am looking forward to meeting you once again. We'll surely connect some another time. And for now, can we just bid goodbyes? So bye bye, guys, and all good wishes for your future plan. May God bless both of you. You both are so cute, so beautiful, so honest and candid. So bye bye, Muaz, and bye bye, Maliha. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye. Bye bye.